Hello everyone, it's Marcia and I am here to do a kit unboxing for my creative scrapbook using the April main kit. So this kit features the gorgeous papers from My Mind's Eye Gingham Garden, and there are a lot of floral pieces in this kit like that first pattern paper you saw, but there's also a lot of neutral ones too, like this beautiful blue plaid or that yellow stripe. So this kit could be used for masculine layouts as well as feminine layouts. This pattern paper right here with the black polka dots and the black and white flowers is the only piece that's not the My Mind's Eye Gingham Garden. That's from PhotoPlay Traditions. And it's just a gorgeous piece too, and it goes very well with the other pattern papers in this kit. I love the gingham patterns for spring, like that green and the red check here. So I don't know if I accidentally got two of these floral papers with the red checks, or if this will be in for all kit subscribers. So you might have to let me know that, but I got two of those, and I'm glad because I fussy cut a lot of those little flowers out, which you can see in some of my layouts later on. Alright, so those are the pattern papers, and then the kit comes with chipboard pieces for the My Mind's Eye Gingham Garden collection. And then there are some glittery gold alphas. They're really pretty. So these have like a capital letter and then a lowercase letter. Alright, and then the My Mind's Eye Gingham Garden collection has these pocket journal cards. And although I'm not much of a pocket journal scrapbooker, these could be used for cards, or you could use them to create a grid design on a scrapbook layout. There's just lots of uses for them. You can layer them up on your layout. So even though you're not a pocket scrapbooker, these are really awesome to have. Alright, so the kit also comes with these creative embellishments for titles. So these are chipboard pieces, and they'll be awesome to play with. And then we have some die cut ephemera pieces. This is the first set that I have laid out here. And then the second set. And I believe there are probably, I think, like 87, I think, or 67 die cut pieces in this pack. So there are a lot. Amazingly. The kit also comes with some exclusive cut files from Neat Crafty Cutz. So there are 11 cut files in the kit this month. So we have the doily edge and a floral leaf piece, fence. Here's an ornate doily. And then a distressed chicken wire. And here's a leaf wreath. And a floral cluster. This one I just absolutely love. Here's another floral background. The butterflies. Some more leaf vines. And then another background. So there's also a sketch for the month. And this is the sketch for the month. So thanks so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoy it. Bye-bye.